Today we are going to do Saxon 2, Lesson 85. We're going to review on how to subtract 5. First I have these two problems. I'm going to use my pennies to act out these problems. 14 minus 5. I'm going to put 14 pennies in my hand. I'm going to give 5 to Emerson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pennies left. Now, 9, and I'm going to give 5 to Braden. Now how many pennies do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, take away 5 is 4. What is 4 plus 5? 9. It's our fact family. What's 9 plus 5? 14. Now, 13 minus 5. If I have 13, then I'm going to give 5 to Kyle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I have left? 8. 8, take away 5. I have how many left? 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. What is 8 plus 5? 13. Let's try a few more. 12, and I give 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oop. I already wrote the answer. 7. And 7, and I take 5 away. That's 2. What's 2 plus 5? 7. What's 7 plus 5? 12. Now, 11 and 6. 11, and I take 5 away. Is 6. And 6, take away 5, is 1. What's 1 plus 5? 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. One more. 10, take 5 away, that's 5. And if I have 5 and I take all 5 away, that's 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now, find your wrap-up. And a pencil. Fold your paper in half. Start by writing your answers. 5 minus 5. If I have 5, I take all of it away. That's 5. 6, take away 5. 1. 7 minus 5. 2. My friends, you may start seeing a pattern, but please stay with us so that you train your brain to memorize these answers. 8 minus 5. 3. 9. Taking 5 away is 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 5, 6. 12 minus 5, 7. 13 minus 5, 8. 14 minus 5, 9. 15 minus 5, 10. 16 minus 5 is 11. When you've finished filling the answers in, open your paper, connect your problem to the answer. 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 12 minus 5, 7. 13 minus 5 is 8. 6 minus 5, 1. 14 minus 5, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 5, 6. 16 minus 5 is 11. And 15 minus 5 is 10. When you're ready, turn your paper over and do set A. Here are the answers for set A. Try not to cheat. Make sure to pause the video while you work. When you have finished A, go on to B and on to C. Pause the video while you work. Are you ready to check your answers? Pause the video while you check. Now find 85A and a ruler. 85A should be at the top. For our name line, draw a 2-inch line segment. Make your 0 line and your dot. Make sure they kiss. 2 inches. I'm putting a dot above the 2 so I know where to connect. 2 inches. Hold that ruler nice and tight. Don't let it move. Draw a 4.5-inch line segment. 4, and we're going halfway. We're not going all the way to 5. Halfway between 4 and 5. Making sure they're kissing. A dot above the 4.5. And hold on and connect. 4.5. 2. Number 1. 14 children were in the gym. 25 children were in room 12, classroom 12, and they joined them. 10 minutes later, 15 children from room 6 arrived. How many children are in the gym now? Lots of numbers. They're trying to trick you in this problem. It wants to know how many children. We only need to count the number of kids. We have 14 children, 25 children. Let's see, 10 minutes, that's not a child. 15 children from room 6, that's not a child. Some of these numbers are in there to trick us. So we're going to add all the children together. 5 and 5 is 10, plus 4 more is 14. Carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 14 plus 25 plus 15 equals 54. The answer is 54 children. One of these numbers is my secret number. Cross out the numbers that cannot be my secret number. It is not an odd number. And my friends, we've done this odd numbers before. Think of even Stephen and odd Todd. So an odd number I know is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Can't be. It's not an odd number. So we're going to cross those out. It has only 1 digit. So that means any number that has 2 digits has to go. It is greater than 7. Well, 6 is before 7, so it's not 6. Greater than 7 is 8. How much money is this? Let's look what we have. A dime, that's worth 10. These are all dimes. This is a nickel. Nickels are worth 5. Adding a penny, 1 more penny. Now let's add. Start with counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I got to add 5. 65. And 1 more. 66. 66 cents. Don't forget your cent sign. Number 4. Circle the shape that is 1/2 shaded. Half. When I say half, I'm dividing a shape into 2 equal pieces. I'm going to share the shape with a friend. When I share, I want it to be equal and fair. Is this fair? Well, there's 4 pieces. 2 of them are shaded here, and 2 are not shaded. Okay, maybe. This has how many pieces? 3. If I wanted to do half, I'd have to do this to shade it. So it can't be that. And half, we have to go in the middle of our shape. This is not in the middle. It's not this one. 2 are shaded here, and 2 are not shaded. Brayden could get these pieces, and Miss Emily could have these pieces. This is 1/2 shaded. Write 361 in expanded form. Expanded form, friends, remember, we're breaking that number down, telling me the hundreds, the tens, and the ones that we need. Start with your hundreds. How many hundreds? 300. How many tens? 6 tens. Add my 0, so 60. And how many ones? 1. 300 plus 60 plus 1. Find your answers. 58 minus 10, 48. 65 minus 10, 55. Now these problems, I notice I'm adding money, so I'm going to bring my cent sign down so I don't forget. 8 and 6 is 14, carry my 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 1 more is 7. Let's see, I'm going to add, find a 10. 7 and 3 is 10, plus 4 more is 14. Carry my 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 94 cents. Don't see a way to make 10, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I know 8 and 2 makes a 10, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. When you're ready, turn your paper over and try the homework. You can pause the video while you work, try it by yourself, or ask an adult for help. I'm going to show you the answers when you're ready to correct. Pause the video so you can correct your work. If there are any problems wrong and you need more help, you didn't understand it, stick around and we'll do it together. Number 1. 18 children were in the lunchroom. 22 children from room 7 arrived. 5 minutes later, 13 children from room 21 joined them. Lots of numbers. How many children are in the lunchroom now? What does this math problem want to know? How many children are there in the lunchroom? So do we need room 7? No. Do we need 5 minutes? Do we need to worry about room 21? Makes it a little easier. 18 children were already in the lunchroom. And 22 more children came after 5 minutes. 13 more children came. Add them up. 8 and 2 is 10 plus 3. 13, carry my 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 53. 18 plus 22 plus 13 equals 53. 53 children. One of these numbers is my secret number. Cross out the numbers that cannot be my secret number. It is not an even number. Well, I know that an even number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Also ends in these numbers. So it's not one of these numbers. 6 is even. 8 is even. 10 is even because it ends with a 0. 12 is even because it ends with a 2. 14 is even because it ends with a 4. It has 2 digits. Means that any number with 1 digit cannot be the answer. It is less than 12. Less than 12 is 11. My secret number is 11. How much money is this? Those are my dimes. Nickels. And pennies. 10, 20. This is a group of 10. So 10, 15, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. 37 cents. Circle the shape that is 1/2 shaded. Half would be here. That is not shaded in a half. Let's see, this is shaded in a half. This is divided into a half, but it's also divided in a half here. But going this way, this part is shaded. This one is shaded 1/2, but I'm going to check my last answer choice. Well, this one's divided in the middle, but if I was to share this with Emerson, it looks like Emerson's getting way more than Miss Emily. It's not equal. It's not the same. If this was a chocolate chip cookie, I would not be happy. I want a little bit more. I want it actually to be the same. So this one is shaded 1/2. Write 432 in expanded form. What's my addition sentence? How many hundreds? 4 hundreds. How many tens? 3 tens. And how many ones? 2 ones. Find your answers. 76. Count backwards by 10. 66. 23. Count backwards by 10. 13. What do I notice? Adding money, bringing it down right away. 9 and 1 is 10. Carry my 1, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 5. Well, I know 4 and 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, 10, 11. 3, 4. 4 and 4 is 8. Last, we're going to add. I'm going to start my bigger number. 8 plus 7, well, that's 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 8 and 2, that's 10. Plus 5 more is 15, 16, 17. 170. Great job today.